Hey Don, this is Isaac from Parkway Kia, and I'm going to show you how to use the heating system on this 2018 Lexus IS 300.
So it's a very simple heating system. To begin, turn it on. You just got to click auto, and from here you can adjust how strong you want it to come out, or maybe not that hard. Now let's say you're with somebody who wants their side a little warmer. You can individually make it warmer or slide up while still keeping yours cool, or vice versa. Let's say you want the heat and she wants her side or he wants his side a little cooler. Simple as that. The second part is you have these seat warmers. It's super easy. Just click this button, all three lights will light up. Now when you have all three lights lit up, that means the seat is going to get warm pretty fast and it'll get pretty warm. You can adjust that by clicking it to your desired temperature. On this side as well. Really easy.
Alright, well I hope this video helped out. If you need anything else, feel free to give me a call.